These vaccines are really good at preventing severity and preventing death.
It's used by tens of millions of women around the world, but the odds of getting blood clots from the birth control pill is significantly higher than getting it from a COVID-19 vaccine.
These are rare events, so it's very difficult when the case numbers are quite unstable. The rates, when you have a very rare event over a large denominator, to try and get a handle of that.
The concerns started with the AstraZeneca vaccine, but have expanded to include Johnson & Johnson. The CDC recommending a pause on administering that vaccine because out of the more than 6.8 million doses administered in the U.S., there have been 6 reported cases of blood clotting in women and 1 death, which is still being investigated. Based on that data, the rough odds of someone getting blood clots after receiving that jab is about 1 in 1.13 million. And dying, if the shot turns out to be the cause in that single case, is around 1 in 6.8 million.
So regulators are acting out of an abundance of caution because they want to make sure that we're putting forward the safest products out to our people.
So even if a woman on the birth control pill could be more likely to experience blood clots,
I think it makes more sense to actually put the risk of a clot from the vaccine in the context of severe COVID disease and bad outcome.
you're also more likely to die in a plane crash, 1 in a million, struck by lightning, 1 in 12,000, or crushed by a meteorite, 1 in 700,000, than get blood clots from a COVID-19 vaccine. The message from the feds remains the same. If you're worried, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. And ultimately,
whichever vaccine you are offered is going to be the right one for you.
in Calgary, Jonathan Muma, City News.